the proposition side, we're going in favor of GMOs, and we're arguing how they are good. Our first reason we said GMOs are good because we said they are engineered to make food taste better, and they are also engineered to withstand direct application of herbicide and or to produce an insecticide. Yeah, insecticide. I got that from the non-GMO food project. Our second one was GMOs are good because some are to withstand virus. Example of that is they had I believe, what was it? It was like this. It was a vegetable, I believe, and they injected it with it was like genetically modified, so it didn't like rot or anything, or it didn't like do that stuff. Most GMOs they are developed throughout the nations, and they are purchased by farmers. That's where they first. All right, and then the commercial sale of GMOs had begun in late 1994 when a person named Makao first marketed as Flavor Saver. He spelled it FLAVR and then SAVR. Yeah, I got that from the IRT GMO education. Genetically modified foods have been linked to toxics. Oregon lab animals, crops such as DC cotton produce pesticides inside the plants, and that's also from the IRT GMO education. From the Food and Drug Society as my source, people are choosing to opt out of the GMO experiment, and the same people that created them profit from their sale because some people, not like everybody doesn't hate GMOs. It's like a lot of people, they are with GMOs, and people who create them, they actually profit off of that with money. People have, from Food and Drug Society, people have succeeded from keeping information from the public because on nutrition facts, learned this from Mr. Doyle. On a lot of things you see on nutrition facts on labels, they don't tell everything that's in the food. They basically just say what they want to say so they can make their money, and they don't tell the public things like if sugar is in the first three ingredients. If sugar is in the first three ingredients, then it is known as a dessert, and they also have more ingredients that makes the food like withstand things. High food, toast, corn syrup, stuff like that. The GMOs that I said earlier have been engineered for resistance to pathogens and herbicides, like I said, and nutrient profiles. GM livestock have been experimentally developed. GMOs that have been modified are sold as commodities, which have further processed into food ingredients. GMOs are in mostly everything we eat. So that was basically what I had to say, and I'm shaking. What Thomas is gonna say is basically the same thing, but he's going to put it in different ways as how GMOs are good and so